Alright, so this is a Hunter TC3250, and right now, believe it or not, it's operating with 2 quarters instead of check valves. Well, they are check valves, they're just quarters. So I'm going to show you that this thing actually works because the tire machine quit working, and I got a quote for $2,600 to fix it. So I just tore it apart myself with the help of my buddy Lathe. Lathe, say hey.
Hey!
Yeah,
It works now.
It works now. And anyway, we're just going to go through the quick process of busting the tire loose and dismounting. And so then I'm going to take it apart and show you that there's quarters in it. So if you need to fix your tire machine,
it may only cost you 50 cents to fix it.
Yeah, 50 cents, huh? Literally, so what was happening is you push the pedals down, nothing happened. You push the pedals up and you would get a spin and something else. But in other words, you push the pedals down, it would just hiss air and nothing happened. So now, it's, as you can see, it's working properly. I'm able to break this tire loose. Alright, so I think we got it pretty much loose. Let's throw it up here. And then left pedal down, engages the rim clamp. Alright, boom. So before, and see how fast it spins? Before it's spinning slow. So now it's spinning fast. It's awesome. Get a little lube here, and we'll get this thing going. No one's going to believe that we fixed this with literally 50 cents, as in we put 2 quarters where the check valves go, and it works perfect. Probably the cheapest fix ever known. Wow, it's got a lot more. Look at the speed. It's way faster than it ever was. This is awesome. Yeah, this is great. Alright, so as you can see, it's full. I mean, everything is working just as it should. And, you know, I thought it was just done for. But there you go. That's the tire dismounted. And so, okay, now that you've seen all the functions work, now we're going to show you what's really going on. I'm going to disconnect the air lines and then show you. And get our handy dandy Allen. What do we do with that thing? Does it sit right here? So, turn it this way. You might have to turn the light on the camera. I don't know, does it give you an option to turn the light on?
No, I can see you just fine.
Okay. Alright, so I'm going to get under here, disconnect this thing, and show you where we put 2 quarters. This is hilarious. If I can get to it. That might be questionable. Oh boy. Let's see here. I'll edit this part out. Don't worry about it. Here, let me see the camera. Is it filming?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so I'm going to show you guys. This is the thing we're talking about. So up in here, you can see I've got this last bolt coming out. Alright, last bolt's out. Then we're going to pop this thing. I know you can't see it, it's dark, but we're going to pop this out. Alright, so I'm going to bring this over here and literally look at that. There's 2 quarters on this ground right here. Look at that. 2 quarters, and they go where this thing is. So basically, yeah, the quarters go here like this. So we actually put them in with this machine, this big centerpiece out, and they go right here, just like that. And anyway, you actually, it's easier to put them inside of the thing up in here, and then you bolt this piece back on, and the machine works better than it ever has. So, yep, you can fix a Hunter tire machine air operated only with just 2 quarters. That's hilarious. All right, cool. Okay. All right, so I've got the light on. I'm gonna try to show you guys. All right, it's upside down. I'm gonna try to show that the piece. All right, here we go. So maybe the camera can get up in there. So you see those two little holes right there. They got two O-rings. You can see right there. So you basically put the quarters in there, and then you attach the metal plate back right here. And you got a working tire machine, fellas. So anyway, I hope that helps somebody out there, because I was about to spend a lot of money on another tire machine or spend money on parts that I didn't think we could find. But anyway, it works. So there you go. And there's the model TC3250. And it used to say Hunter right there. But yeah, alrighty. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and like it, because this is crazy that this works, right? Using 2 quarters. Okay.